Alright, here we go. Good luck. Kike. I'm going to do a box of 2018 UFC. Acuna just went guard on the Dodgers. 2018 knockout. Oh! All right, 1 through 12, senor. Max 9, good luck, good luck. Unboxing 2018 Topps UFC KO. What's the score of the game? I'm watching soccer because I'm waiting for the Clásico to come up. 6-2 Dodgers. St. Preux, Gokansaki, Volkan Ozdemir, Brian Ortega, nice rookie. Ronda Rousey, Ariane Celeste. So we got Mighty Mouse, 14 of 99. Demetrius Johnson. TJ Dillashaw, 3 of 25. Dustin Poirier and Abdul Razak Al-Hassan. Oh, both are numbered 72 of 99 and 102 of 199. Gache, Justin Gache, Zabit. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that last name. Josh Emmett, a lot of rookie cards. Cynthia Calvillo, Ilir Latifi. Then we got Edgar versus Ortega, and Jim Miller, relic auto. $15 of 199. 64 of 99. Event used fight mat. Tony El Cucuy Ferguson. I remember this night. Amanda Nunes. 95 of 199. And a very nice Cody Garbrandt blue. 53 of 99. Redemption, we got Swanson, Santiago, Holly Holm, Jorge Masvidal, Rose Namajunas, Paige Van Zandt. Our redemption reads, congratulations. You are due to receive a Tier 1 autograph of Jermaine de Randamie. Spider's right behind her. 83 of 99, or 88 of 99. Anderson Silva. Boo, he says. Got Robbie Lawler blue. 19 of 99. And Ilir Latifi, 154 of 199. Ooh. Jimmy Rivera, Jose Aldo, Juliana Peña, Carolina, Wilson Reyes, Misha Sirkunov, Henry Cejudo, Al Carter. These remind me like next day autographs. 118 of 299. Dominic Cruz, 27 of 99. Dominic Cruz. Dominic Reyes, 69 of 99. And Anderson Silva, 186 of 199. And that was the box. You know which one's the big rookie? The big rookie's Brian Ortega. If you could get colored rookies of his stuff, that might be the big chase. Where'd he go? Right there. You get colored rookies of his? Oh.